Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Ferndale Partners Spotlight Stock of the Week. A special welcome to any new members to the site. Remember that all ideas expressed here are not meant as investment advice, only do trades that make sense to you. Okay, right now it is Saturday evening, August 25th, and this idea is for the week of August 27th. Okay, I'm going to start with a little bit of market update here before I get to my stock idea. Last weekend, I told you guys that I thought the market had room to bounce about 400 points to the 13,400 level, and sure enough, look what it did. We ended just 20 points shy of that target. Perfect. Well, now what do we do? Well, normally I'd be telling you, well, start watching for the market to roll over now. I got to tell you, though, after looking at hundreds of stock charts to find trading ideas for next week, I'm finding an awfully lot of long candidates. So my guess here is that the market does have some forward momentum here. I don't think we're going to roll over quite yet. The market is like an aircraft carrier. It doesn't stop on a dime once it gets momentum going. So I think the market is going to work its way higher over the next week a little bit more. Now, if the market rolls over and takes out this 13,200, then forget what I just said. I would go short. But until that happens, I think you ought to go ahead and be focusing on the long side for your trades. So let's get to my idea for next week. First, I want to start by reviewing my idea from last week. Okay, I gave you SLAB as a short. This trade was not triggered, so there's a lesson in here for you guys. You know, it's important to pre-plan your trades and wait for them to be triggered. And if you had done that, you would not have done this trade. And the lesson is, sometimes the trades you don't do are just as important as the ones you do, okay? Discipline and pre-planning your trades really pays off. But let's talk about my idea for next week. Apple computer, and it is a long candidate. Apple's got some momentum going here. And here's the trade. The trigger is 135.37. The stop is 130, and the target is 145. Okay, now the target is 10 points away. So make sure you use a trailing stop. Don't let the stock go up 7 points and then come down and take you out and you lose money on it. Make sure that once the stock does get going, you implement a trailing stop to lock in profits along the way. Now again, I think the high is in for the market, but for the time being, for the next week, I think the momentum is to the upside. But if the market takes out, if it does head south and take out the level that we pointed out, then go ahead and go short. But I think for the immediate term here, for next week, I think the market is going to scratch its way higher. Okay, guys, I've got 3 more specific trading ideas that I'm going to post separately on the 3-minute mile. So make sure you go click on that button. Those are very high trade candidates as well. I might be posting this on YouTube, so all of you YouTube subscribers, for those of you who have not become members of my site yet, you should go to the site, become a member, so you can check out all of the trading ideas. Okay, guys, have fun. Always remember to pre-plan your trades and have fun out there. Okay, bye.